Common mistakes to avoid in Microsoft Project 2013. In this video, we will talk about some of the most frequent mistakes to avoid in Microsoft Project 2013, along with success tips and best practices to drive maximum project management efficiency. Project scheduling mistakes in MS Project 2013. One of the most massive mistakes in Microsoft Project 2013 has to do with errors in project scheduling. It might result in a delayed completion, missing deadlines, and altogether the inefficiency of a project. Microsoft Project 2013, How to avoid common mistakes. Other common issues arising among users are human errors in data entry and resource management. Correct input of time values, resources availability, dependencies, and any other information is very essential for the smooth running of your project. Tips to succeed in Microsoft Project 2013. Keep updating your project plan regularly. Update the project schedule with any additions or changes to tasks, deadlines, and resources whenever such a modification takes place. Train or ask for help. If you find difficulty in using Microsoft Project 2013, then take some training or ask for help from expert users who can help in making you proficient in the use of the tool. Common mistakes of project management in MS Project 2013. Besides scheduling and data entry errors, many a time project managers are prone to mistakes in project management best practices. Conclusion. In summary, Microsoft Project 2013 is a sophisticated tool in project management. However, one has to avoid some of the common pitfalls that will diminish its potential for service delivery with maximized efficiency. Tips and best practices from this article can help improve your project management skills and drive further project success with Microsoft Project 2013.